They don't want you on.
They don't want you on the craft. You're heavily intoxicated. You got to go.
I will sit up. Stop, dude. Stop. Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. 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 Stop.
On September 27th, 2025, Broward County Sheriff's Office deputies responded to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport after Spirit Airlines crew requested removal of an intoxicated passenger who refused to exit the aircraft.
No, f*** off. You. You. F***ing asshole. You. Get in the car.
Motorola Solutions. Power on. Touch blue dots together to connect.
Ma'am, let's get up. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Grab your stuff. Let's go. Okay?
They don't want you on.
They don't want you on the craft. You're heavily intoxicated. You got to go. So let's go.
Female, I prefer the 20 white female, black shirt,
grab my stuff and you can move that way.
No problem. Come on.
Hair.
Let's go.
Move your shit. Move your shit. Can you grab my... Can you help me?
Where's your bag at?
Why are you yelling at me? I don't know where my fucking bag is. It's up there. And guess what? I have a lot of scuba...
Ma'am,
I have...
listen.
I have a lot of
Shut up. Shut up.
Don't shut me up. You... Oh. Wow. I'm getting arrested because I told you. You guys see what is happening here? You guys see what is happening here? This is not okay. This is not okay. This is why don't come back. Fuck you. You fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
It fell off. Everything.
I don't deserve this. You guys don't. I don't deserve this. Fuck you. I don't deserve this.
Sit up.
I will sit up. Stop, dude. Stop. Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck is wrong with you people? You guys are fucking assholes. Fuck you. Stop. Stop. Just stop! Stop! Oh my god! Oh my god! Why are you doing this? Why are you hurting me so much? Why are you hurting me so much? Why are you hurting me so much? Why are you doing this to me? Why? What are you doing? Oh my god, you guys stop! Stop! Please stop! Please.
Just walk.
Just stop!
Just walk.
Just stop! Oh my god! You guys, it hurts! It hurts!
Well, then walk.
I can't!
Just walk.
I can't! It hurts!
Just keep walking.
I can't! I can't! I can't! I can't!
Touch blue dots together to connect.
Keep walking.
I can't!
Just keep walking.
I literally... Can you please stop? Please stop! Please!
Under 14 C.F.R. Section 91.11, passengers must comply with crew instructions, non-compliance grants, law enforcement, intervention authority without a warrant. 49 U.S.C. Section 46, 504, independently criminalizes flight crew interference. The legal basis for removal was unambiguous before any physical contact occurred. Florida Statutes, Section 856.011 disorderly intoxication in a public place was satisfied by observable intoxication in an airport terminal. Each refusal to stand or walk independently triggered Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence, compounding the charge basis with every act.
Keep walking. It's not that hard.
Yeah,
We're helping you.
it hurts. I can't do it anymore. I can't. I'm not doing it. I can't do it anymore. I can't do it anymore. Oh my God. Oh.
Come on, stand up and walk.
I can't.
Not that hard.
Honey. I'm bleeding. Why do you fucking do this to me? I can't. I'm gonna fucking fall on my face. I can't.
Stand up.
I can't.
Stand up.
Imagine how this would have been if you would have just cooperated and just got up and left.
Touch blue dots together to connect.
What the f*** do you... Why are you f***ing dragging me like this?
Please do not leave baggage unattended. Unattended baggage will be removed and may be discarded. All persons must
Keep walking. Stand up and walk. Okay, stand up and walk. Oh, wait, you're making it harder on yourself.
carry a firearm.
Let's go. We're almost there. We're almost there.
We're almost there.
Entering the TSA screening checkpoint.
Where you going? Where you going?
Not leave vehicles unattended on the
Walk.
He's holding me.
Let's go. Stand up. We're almost there.
He's grabbing me.
Okay, then get up on your own.
Can you ask Junior Broward to meet? Let's turn the 4 female pet down. My radio.
Okay, stand up.
Broward County's Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport is doing its part to combat human trafficking. Detectives are found 25 million people worldwide are victims of human trafficking. Sadly, it's happening in our
I got it. You alright? Take a deep breath for me. I'm Sergeant Clee. I'm the supervisor on this shift. Do you understand that these are law enforcement officers? It's a yes or no question. Do you understand these are law enforcement officers?
He's hurting me.
He's trying to take your rings off because they have to come off one way or the other. Do you understand these are law enforcement officers?
Yes.
Okay. Were you asked to get off the plane by the flight crew?
What?
Were you asked to get off the plane by the flight crew?
Yeah, I can listen to it.
Okay. When we actually get off the plane, the reason you're in this position is because instead of just doing what you were asked, you decided to fight us. You understand that, right?
Use of force is governed by Graham versus Connor, 490, U.S. 386, 1989. 3 factors apply severity of the offense, immediate threat posed, and active resistance. Factor 1. Misdemeanor predicate weighs against aggression. Factor 2. No weapon, no lethal threat also weighs toward restraint. Factor 3. Sustained non-compliance throughout the escort supports escalation. Graham requires force to be proportional, not merely authorized. A non-ambulatory subject in a public corridor is a legal signal to adapt. The failure to consider a wheelchair or repositioned vehicle is the clearest proportionality deficiency courts will examine in this footage. At approximately 3 minutes, 51 seconds, one officer stated, "Now you're on the hook, bitch." Under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983, evidence of personal animus supports argument that the arrest was improperly motivated. This statement does not void the arrest, but it will appear in every subsequent proceeding and weakens prosecutorial posture. Regarding the bag search, Chimel versus California, 395 U.S. 752, 1969, authorizes search incident to arrest. However compelling the subject to provide her lock combination is testimonial in nature and implicates Fifth Amendment protection. Officers may open the bag by other means the combination cannot be compelled. Leg shackle application is legally authorized when standard handcuffing proves insufficient to control a subject who continues to resist in custody. Documented physical noncompliance satisfies the escalation threshold under Broward County Sheriff's Office transport restraint policy.
Are you hurt?
Am I what?
Are you hurt? Are you broken, bleeding, anything like that? Do you have any?
Oh yeah, this.
Oh, wait. Okay, go.
Yeah, no, off. You. What are you doing right now?
He's not doing anything.
Yeah, he is. He's putting me down in my. Yeah, what is
Turn
he
around.
doing now?
You're not going to talk to my deputy that way because you didn't decide to make the right decisions today.
What is he doing to me right now?
He's making sure that you are secure against the vehicle because you've shown that you
So
cannot
he's
even
hurting
stand.
me.
He's not hurting you at all, ma'am. As soon as we get a female here to pat you down, you're going to go in the back of that car. You'll be able to sit down, okay?
Do you not, like, that hurts. Like, it hurts.
Like what?
No, my arm where you fucking rape and pillage girls.
Well, how about this? If you would have just got up and did what
that
you were supposed
hurts.
to do, you wouldn't be here.
Baby, guess what? I can feel you. You're a rape and pillager. And you fucking hurt girls. I can see you. You fucking hurt girls.
You requested Julian Bauer to come over here?
I can feel it. You hurt girls. Good for you. You fucking asshole. Good for you. No, good for you. You're fucking really good at what you do.
What's the code on your back?
What?
What's the code on your back?
I don't. What?
The code?
My.
Look, the code
I
on your
don't
back.
fucking know. My bag is going to
Right here.
fucking.
It's here. What's the code on your back?
What? You're fucking looking at me? I don't know, dude. My bag is going to fucking Honduras. I'm sorry. I'm not like you. I don't fucking videotape everything fucking people do.
I just need to open your bag.
All right, then go ahead.
What's the code?
I don't know.
How do you not know the lock code to your bag?
Why do you have my fucking bag?
Because you're under arrest. So I have your bag. I need to see what's in the bag.
Can I get out of this stuff, please? Why?
I told you. Once the female gets
Why are
here,
you so angry at
I'm
me?
not angry at you. I've explained this to you. So if you want to listen, I'm happy to explain it to you again.
No, I'm just. He's asking about my bag. He's
Yes,
asking about.
because he wants to make sure that you have all your property. We're not trying to be mean and rude to you. We're asking you questions that we need to know the information.
So why is this happening right now?
Because you refused to get off the flight, and we asked you to get off the flight,
No.
and you fought us on it. This is the consequences of your actions. That's all it is.
It was the WestJet flight.
No, the Spirit Airlines flight that you were missing. It wasn't WestJet, it was Spirit Airlines. But yes, that flight.
Okay, come on.
Can we?
Okay.
Hey, you.
Get in the car.
In the car. Have enough of you. Fucking car.
Oh. Oh.
Where's your shackles?
Huh? Oh, it's in the truck. Oh. Oh, give me a freak. Give me a freak. This way. Put your feet out this way. I gotta put shackles on you.
I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing.
yourself. Get back in the car.
Why are you doing this to me?
Get back in the car. Come on.
Why are you doing this to me?
I got it.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? What the f is wrong with... What did I do to you? Why are you doing this to me? I'm just gonna be... Ow! Why? What's happening?
Law enforcement receives a B-. The removal was legally predicated, commands were appropriate, and supervisory response was professional. The grade cannot rise higher due to the on the hook statement, a professionalism failure with direct civil liability exposure, and the failure to reassess transport method during the prolonged escort. Sergeant Cleary receives a B. His intervention was textbook calm identification, closed-ended cognitive assessment, clear causal explanation without escalation, docked for command accountability over conduct that preceded his arrival. The subject receives a C+. No escalation to violence, avoided charges under Section 843.01. Her pain reports create a documented medical record for any civil claim. However, the initial refusal to comply with flight crew created the entire legal predicate for this arrest, and each subsequent act of resistance added an independent charge. Lesson 1. Body camera footage is permanent legal record. A single statement expressing personal animus can reframe an otherwise lawful arrest as vindictive enforcement in every criminal and civil proceeding that follows. Lesson 2. Proportionality requires continuous reassessment. Technical authorization does not satisfy Graham. When a subject becomes non-ambulatory, the method must be reconsidered, not simply maintained. Lesson 3. For citizens, intoxication is not a defense to resisting a lawful arrest. Physical non-compliance transforms a misdemeanor into compounding criminal exposure with each additional act. The legal system provides remedies. Resistance eliminates them. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching,